Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is part one to my clay mask, my color, my face mask, anything mask video. If y'all interested, stay tuned. Y'all already know what I'm about to say. Stop right now, subscribe, and put on your post notification bells.
You guys. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today's video we are going to be doing. Can y'all guess? I got on gloves, but can y'all guess? Okay. I won't make y'all suffer too much longer. We're gonna be doing another clay mask. Yes. But today's video is not just gonna be about a clay mask on the hair, but it's gonna be one for the skin as well. So, if you all don't know, I do have a clay mask video on my channel already. If you guys are interested in that, I'll leave a card up top or in the description bar down low for the link. Anyway, if y'all interested in this video, stay tuned to the remainder of the video. But before we jump into it, I'm going to ask you guys to stop right now, subscribe, put on your post notification bells so y'all are notified every time I do an upload. And let's just get right into the video. So you guys, I have already made my mixture. I might need to add a little bit more apple cider vinegar because that's a little thick. Yeah, I might add a little bit of apple cider vinegar because it's a little thick. But anyway, we're going to part this stuff into some sections, spray it with some water, and we're going to get started, y'all. We're going to get started, okay?
Okay, so I'm going to start off with my hair already in sections. I'm going to damp the hair because you don't want to apply this on dry hair. I didn't want to apply it on clean hair. I was being lazy. But anyway, you don't want to apply this on dry hair. I am going to get my wire tooth comb to detangle a little bit because when this clay dries, there's no way to comb the hair. There's no way. So I want to break up the clumped up curls just a little bit so that I can make sure that the clay mass is getting on all the strands and I can maneuver it through the section well. So if you notice, I'm taking a generous amount and I am working it from ends to scalp to ends, however way you want to call it. But I want to make sure that I'm getting in between. I'm getting every strand thoroughly, okay? And after I finish applying and maneuvering that clay mass up and down the strands, I'm going to twist that up out of the way so that I can move on to the next section. And basically, this is going to be very, very, very repetitive. If you all know, I do have a video on my channel already of a previous clay mask. I will leave a link or a card up top so that you guys can check that one out if you want. So this is my second attempt at clay masking my hair. And once again, I am going in with water to break up some of that gel and that dirt and to loosen up those curls. And I'm basically reapplying a generous amount of that clay mask on the strands, and I'm working it up and down all through those strands, making sure I am coating it well. The nape of my neck breaks off so bad, it is the driest. So I want to make sure that I am grabbing that nape and applying a lot of product to the back part of the hair because that is where I need the most care at. And like I said, the steps are repetitive. Water, add your clay mask, maneuver the product up and down the strands. So I'm not going to show you guys my entire head. I'm just giving you guys an idea of how I apply my clay mask and how I make sure that my hair is fully coated and that I'm working in sections. That's pretty much it. Now that I'm finished with this part of the hair, I'm going to attempt to do the other side. Y'all, I had to remake my clay mask because I didn't have enough. Like, I have a whole thick head of hair. I didn't have enough. So as you all can see, I came back. I have a quarter of a section left. I'm watching something on my iPad. That's probably why I stopped right there. I have to keep myself awake because I always tend to do my hair late at night, y'all, like always. Anyway, I'm wetting this section, same thing over and over again. Maneuvering the water through the strands to break up some of that gel cast. And if I didn't mention before, this water does have a little bit of oil inside. So it's not, and aloe vera juice. I forgot to mention that. You don't have to use that. I chose to, but I did wear gloves because this stuff gets all under your nails and it can be very messy. But I am applying a generous amount to this section as well. I hope and pray that this clay mask do exactly what it claims to do. The first time I tried it, it was amazing. So I'm expecting the same results this time, y'all. But stay tuned to the remainder of the video. You all probably will see the end result. Well, there is a part two, so the part two is coming rather shortly. So don't forget to check out part two, because not only am I doing a clay mask in the hair, I'm going to apply it to the face as well, and then I'm going to be doing a little color on my hair. I'm going to do a rinse. So basically, I took that same mixture, applied it to my clean face. I washed my face already. Applied the mixture to my clean face, and I'm basically just rubbing it in circular motions, covering basically the whole face. And as the hair dries, I'm gonna let this mask dry. I'm not sure how long I was supposed to leave this mask on, but I left it on probably too long, y'all. But I make sure I coated the skin well with this mask, even the neck. Don't forget your neck is part of the face. So, y'all, look at my face.
It's so
It looks
hard.
swole. It looks
It's so
super
dry.
duper dry. It was so hard, y'all.
I feel like it sucked every dirt and oil out of the skin. You all, I had to stop in the middle of shampooing my hair to show you guys. This is the very first shampoo after the clay mask, okay? This is only one shampoo. Like I put it in, it lathered, but you guys, I'm just gonna be very honest with you all. When I wash my hair, my curls never, ever, ever in 6 years of being natural, never ever clump together like this. Every time I wash my hair, I never see any definition like this. When it says it helps clump your curls together, this clay mask helps clump your curls together. I have not detangled or anything. I literally have one shampoo on my hair. You guys, I've never seen my hair like this. Never. Like, I've never seen my hair like this. This is one shampoo. I rinsed all the clay out. This is the very, very, very first shampoo, you guys. I am stunned. I am amazed. And this is going to be part of my monthly regimen. I guarantee it. Like, you guys, like, I'm in awe. Like, I can't even begin to describe how amazing this product is. I know this is an oldie but a goodie, but you guys, I'm just letting y'all know right now, like, oh my God. I've never seen my curls clump together like this. Never. Ever while washing. Never, ever. In 6 years, you guys, never. Look at this. So much definition. And this is only shampoo. But that clay mat has clumped the curls together. Look at that. Like, oh my God. Look at that, y'all. I feel like I got a new head of curls. Like, I feel like I have a brand new head of curls. I keep looking in the mirror. I'm just so amazed. Like, okay, let me finish doing my hair, y'all. I'm back, y'all. So we gonna take this down. My hair is freshly washed. I'm gonna take down the clip so y'all can look at the hair. Oh my God. 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 You guys, my hair feels like butter. Literally like butter. I need my ends trimmed so bad. Oh gosh, you guys. But this is it. All right, y'all. So the clay mask did its job. Oh my God, I am amazed. My hair feels amazing, amazing. I don't know how I feel about it on my face. I might have to try that clay mask again. I felt like it was really, really, really dry. I don't know if I left it on too long, but it was drying. It's supposed to dry all the impurities and the dirt in your pores. I felt like it did that, but can't give you guys a really honest review on how I feel about it because it was my first time using it on my face. But second time's a charm on my hair. I'm loving it. If you all have not tried this mask, y'all gotta go copy out some. I don't know where y'all been at, but this mask is bomb. Anyway, I think I'm going to do a rinse in my hair. And then I'm gonna go to bed for tonight because it's like 2 o'clock in the morning, y'all.